Hi guys, once again welcome to Universal Anonymous episode. Well, 2021 is a wonderful year, no doubt, and for some of us it is a win financially, and for some other people it is a no win, no lose, while for some it might be a lose. In any of this situation you find yourself, I want to tell you, no retreat, no surrender. Just because it is taking a little longer time than other does not make you a failure. It is a new year, and in fairness, the hustle continue. Happy New Year. Well, over the last 2 months of 2021, I have been thinking of what to do and how to make 2022 all-round financial win for myself and for my friends and everyone. And from all of my research, all pointer is directed towards having many streams of income, leveraging on online business. I want to tell you, there is money online and everybody is going online. So now when we say online business, I think it will be okay to give a very brief education about online business. Many people have a wrong perception about online business, and some of these wrong perceptions are that online business or online job are very easy, no stress at all. This is not correct. Online business is not as easy as you think, but it is easy to learn and get started. Some people say online job is all about pressing phone, enjoying yourself and making money. My brother, online job is more than pressing phone. Some people even think you can make 1 million in 2 weeks. If you think this is how online business works, maybe you are looking for money ritual or something else. Online business is like tree planting, and it takes dedication, patience, skills, and you must have content. It's something that you have to be patient with. You need dedication, and you have content. You have something to deliver. So likewise, it is important to ask yourself some questions before you take your decision on online business. Like, do I really want to work online? Which service can I offer online that I will be paid for? And most importantly, you must ask yourself, am I ready to dedicate few months to learn about online business? In fact, considering the fact that even in real life business, you will need minimum of 4 years to be trained in the university. So definitely, you need to learn about the online environment. So today I want to introduce us to online business that can make you million in 2022. Online side hustles that can make you millionaire in 2022. And I will share with you in this video my 7 best online business that you can start. And the beautiful thing about this is that these 7 ideas I will be sharing are the ones that I know very well, and I do them and I can teach you by myself. Okay, now if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe now, because the 7 ideas I will be sharing will be in series. For today, I will just list the ideas, and subsequently I will dedicate a video for in-depth explanation of each of these ideas. I would not want you to miss any part of the series. So please do well to hit the subscribe button now, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will have first-hand information as soon as I begin to drop this series. So let's continue. Before I dive in to share my idea online business, let me also mention some mistakes people make about taking their online business decision. And one of the mistakes is quitting your job. Please do not quit your job because you want to start online business. It's a mistake. So continue whatever you are doing, but build your online business to the stage of sustainability. Do whatever you are doing side by side. Make use of your night, make use of your evening time, and build your online business to a place of sustainability. At this stage, your instincts will tell you that you are set to quit. Now, this is what to look out for. If you can build your online business to a point of eating around $500 to $1,000 per month, then you are good to quit your job. So let's move on. 7 side hustles to make you millionaire in 2022. Number 1, e-commerce. E-commerce is a marketplace. It's a technology that we attend to customers, help them order for products, and receive payments to your account on your behalf. Without your interference, you just receive alert and process the delivery. Isn't that amazing? E-commerce is a very good technology. Everything will be online. Whatever you have to sell, the buyer will go there online and do this by themselves. All you are waiting for is alert and how to process the delivery. I think this is amazing, and I want you to be ready to learn. I can teach you, and I mentioned earlier that all the ideas I am about to share, they are the one that I am doing, and I can teach you by myself. Number 2, digital content creation. Digital content creation. This is a concept to digitalize your skills and idea, your write-ups, book publishing, your how to do whatever skills you have, video tutorials, and a lot. So you can digitalize any skill that you have and sell them online. And the beautiful thing about digital content creation is that you do this just once and for all, and people can come back to buy year in, year out. I have a complete digital content on solar installation. This one is online and it is selling very fast. I will teach you how to create a video tutorial about what you know how to do, and I will teach you where to place, how to market, and how to sell this digital content. Number 3, YouTube. YouTube is a free online video environment, and for the fact that it is free, anybody can be a YouTuber. I have a complete course on how to start and set up your YouTube channel. You can chat me up on WhatsApp to talk more on this. The beautiful thing about YouTube is that it is completely free. All you need to do is creating videos, giving value, and getting better over the time. So don't wait. Start now. Discover the amazing way to earn millions being a YouTuber. Number 4, Fiverr. Fiverr is a community of professionals, but you must have a skill which you can start and complete online, like video editing, audio editing, photo editing. So most people ask, what can I be selling or doing on Fiverr? Most of my video editing, audio editing, and photo editing deals comes from Fiverr. So if you are a video editor and you are not online, this is the time for you to eat the online business community. Number 5, cryptocurrency. I am an investor, and I am going to be investing more in cryptocurrency in 2022. and I want to encourage you to prepare to do so. So let's do this together. You have waited long enough for crypto to crash, but it never crashes. Why don't you just take your time, learn what it is all about, and discover how millionaires are being raised in the crypto world year in, year out. So one thing that is very important about cryptocurrency is learning. Learning is very, very much important. Number 6, foreign exchange, foreign exchange, forex trading. I have a very easy way to learn and start trading forex by yourself. Just like cryptocurrency, but with a very few difference. The rule is learning. Before you start earning, you must learn. I have been training people on this, and we have 99% success trading without losing. You are going to do everything by yourself. You are not giving your money to anybody, but you will need to learn. If you are willing to learn about cryptocurrency, forex trading in depth, you may chat me up. I have a training program that I run, and everyone that have been attending have a success story to tell. Number 7, Amazon Kindle Publishing. Amazon Kindle Publishing is a program where Amazon allow you to be an author. All you need to do is to write a very good content. Amazon will market, sell the content for you, and all you do is sit down and make your commission. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Number 7, which is the final one on my list, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply selling another person's products. Recall that I promised to do a dedicated video series for each of the ideas listed above. But to do well to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss out as soon as I begin to drop the series. And I would also like you to comment in the comment section which among the 7 ideas listed are you eager to learn first. The highest vote will become the first in-depth video tutorial that I will do from the 7 ideas listed above. I believe year 2022, despite all the negative news, for those that are ready to take action to leave their comfort zone, is going to be a great year. I will see you in my next video.